Hi.
Hi.
Get inside.
Your shit.
Okay, so this is what happens. Oops, sorry. This is what happens when you work a like 15-hour day or whatever. I am working tonight and there because we have a show tonight. We have rent, and I worked all day already, like our normal building. So then I told her, I'm like, I'll go pick up our favorite Chinese food, and then we will eat outside of the parking lot. I mean, that's the best thing.
This is our date.
Yeah, this is like our date. Like literally, like we're gonna sit out here in the car. We have about 40 minutes to eat, and then I'm gonna go work, which is kind of sad, but I mean, you know, it's better than not spending time with each other, right?
Right.
She's just happy because she has crab rangoon.
Not true. You look really pretty.
Okay. So now we are gonna go to the casino. It's a new casino that we've never been to. We usually go to one in my hometown, but now we're going to one that they just opened like a couple months ago. So I wanted to go try it out, so I'm like, take me. So yeah. So I'm waiting for her to get out of her car because I'm gonna drive. Because she drove all the way here from where she's from. She's like 45 minutes away from me. So I just figured I would drive. She's running away from me because I'm vlogging in public, and she's like, so I mean, oh, she's actually making fun of the guy in front of her. She's so stupid. You excited?
Yeah.
So I don't know what the hell just happened, but it just went crazy, and now she's like winning all those credits. I don't know. Good luck. I mean, good job. Because my ass over here is losing. Excited? Okay, so she's in shock right now because she put in $20 on one of the 2-cent machines.
Press one button.
What?
I pressed one button.
She pressed one button, sat down, and it went crazy. And she won. Hey. Of course we're eating. We're at this amazing buffet in the casino. And are you enjoying your food?
Oh my god.
So today Bridget and I were supposed to hang out and go out to one of our favorite bars, but I got stuck babysitting this little man right here. Come here, Juan. And he is coincidentally wearing the same thing he wore the other day when I took video of him, which is really awkward. But yeah, I'm stuck babysitting this little bundle of joy. He knows I'm watching him, that's why he's being kind of quiet. Hey, come here. So me, my grandma, and my friend Robin are gonna go to lunch at Royal. She's eating raw tripe. I don't know what she got. Dim sum?
Yes.
Okay, so we're like on our second plate. Are you enjoying it, Miss Robin? Are you enjoying it, Grandma? ¿Te gusta? She loves this kind of food. She's eating frog legs.
Yum.
And this girl over here is eating
Chicken feet.
chicken feet. Having a big mug of green tea.
They gave us this in the beginning.
Yeah, some girl, she comes and she gives us these little tiny cups, and we're like, oh, what the fuck?
No. First she gave it to me empty.
Yeah.
And I'm like, what am I supposed to do with this empty cup? Then she gave us hot water
But just water.
with no tea. And I thought this was the tea.
Yeah.
I don't know.
And then this Mexican guy brought us these.
Yeah.
Because you know how us Mexicans do. Where are we? It wouldn't be a Two Lesbians One Vlog video if Bridget wasn't dancing in there. What are you, really?